Axcelerate has an exciting new look. Functionality remains the same with a few exceptions. To select a different page, click the Pages menu button at the top left of your project. To return to the navigation page and see all of your matters, click the name of your current matter and select All Matters from the list. Two-screen mode is now accessible via the icon to the left of the Help icon. Breadcrumbs can now be toggled on and off. When bulk tagging, there is now a Tagging Context Help legend when you hover over the question mark to the right of a field. Tabs for settings on administration pages are shown at the top of the page instead of on the left. An enrichment job now automatically enriches documents for all enrichment types. Two new enrichment types were added. Organizations. The names of organizations are identified and extracted using OpenText Magellan. And document summary. Axcelerate uses OpenText Magellan to identify key sentences in a document. Those sentences are then put together to create a synopsis of the text content. There are new ways to view enrichment results. An enrichment column was added to the results list on the analysis page. Hover over the dot in the enrichment column to view a pie chart showing the document's sentiment tonality. Enrichment View is available in the Viewer panel for enriched documents. Use it to view these enrichment results. A sentiment tonality pie chart. An opinion versus facts bar chart indicating whether the system found the document's text to be based mostly on opinion or fact. The document summary enrichment results. Tabs to view the document's top positive and negative sentences, and the opinion scores assigned to those sentences by the system. Buttons in the Viewer toolbar that you can click to view the enrichment results for people, places, and organizations. Places, people, and organizations were added as highlighting types in the highlighting menu on the Viewer panel toolbar. Predictive Search is a data investigation tool that uses machine learning and the Axcelerate predictive coding algorithm to enhance search results. You must have one of these user roles. To use a predictive search, tag or folder a set of relevant documents. At least 50 to 200 is recommended. Next, run a search that finds the documents. This is the document set on which the predictive search will be based. In the Actions menu of the results list, select Predictive Search. Give the search a name and an optional description. Click in the Group field to select a group or enter a new name. Groups organize your predictive searches. Select Share Predictive Search if you want to share the results of the search with other users. Click Create. Once the predictive search job completes, the results display. The results are sorted by confidence level. The categorization column tells you whether a document is suggested, agreed, or disagreed. Suggested. The document is likely to be of interest, especially if it also has a high confidence level. Agreed. The document was confirmed relevant. Disagreed. The system does not agree that the document is relevant. If the list of returned documents is long, you can open the search panel and use the categorization filters. You can also filter out documents you previously reviewed and tagged for responsiveness. In the viewer's text view, the Predictive Search training terms are highlighted in light blue. These terms can help you understand why certain documents were suggested, agreed, or disagreed. You can rerun a predictive search that you created, but only when the Rerun button is active. Your button becomes active when you tag or folder additional documents in a way that those documents now meet the search criteria on which the predictive search is based, or new documents were added to the matter. To rerun a predictive search, open the Predictive Searches panel, select the Predictive Search, and click the Rerun button. If you are working on the Predictive Searches panel for a while, you may need to click the Refresh button in the panel header to see whether the Rerun button is active. The Search Analysis Report helps you analyze the results of a keyword search. It can help you decide whether to use a different search mode or whether to limit the search to certain words or fields. If the query contains a multi-character wildcard, you see the actual words that were found, and you may decide to restructure the query for more targeted results. Wildcard searches always run in exact match mode, so there is no difference in the lines that show results for the different search modes. To create a search analysis report, on the analysis page, run a keyword search. Here, we run a keyword search to find wildcard variations for the term priv. In the toolbar of the results list, select Actions, Reports, Search Analysis Report. The report displays. To export it, click Run. A CSV file is downloaded locally.